Ever stand in front of the mirror and whisper to yourself, I don't feel like me anymore? That quiet frustration when your favorite outfits no longer spark joy, or when shopping feels more like a chore than a celebration. You're not alone. So many women over 50 silently wonder if elegance is something they've aged out of. But here's the truth. You haven't lost your style, you've just outgrown old rules that no longer serve the beautiful. Wiser woman you've become. Welcome to Chic Over 50, where we believe fashion after 50 is not about hiding flaws, but about celebrating who you are now. So find a cozy spot, brew your favorite tea, maybe nibble on a few pumpkin seeds or almonds, and let's enjoy a moment just for you. And before we dive in, go ahead and tap that subscribe button because this space is your new style sanctuary. And we don't want you to miss a single empowering tip. Now that you're settled in, let's explore the 7 simple yet powerful tricks that can instantly elevate your style and remind you just how stunning you truly are. Trick 1. The power of color. It's not age. It's the wrong shade. Have you ever tried on an outfit and thought, why do I look so washed out even though this used to be my favorite top? Well, here's the truth. It's not you, it's the color. As a designer, I've worked with hundreds of women in their 50s and 60s who told me they felt like their clothes just stopped working for them. The fabrics were fine, the fit was okay, but something felt off. 9 times out of 10, the culprit was the wrong color. You see, as we age, our skin tone subtly shifts. It becomes softer, often a little cooler or warmer depending on your undertone, and it loses some of the contrast and brightness it once had. That means those sharp blacks, icy whites, or neon pinks that looked stunning in your 30s can suddenly make you look tired, flat, or even older than you are. But the good news, you don't need a whole new wardrobe. You just need to rethink your palette. Try swapping harsh blacks for navy or charcoal instead of bright white. Reach for ivory or soft cream. And if you used to love bold colors, consider richer, more saturated tones like deep teal, forest green, warm burgundy, or dusty rose. These colors enhance mature skin, bring warmth to your face, and soften your overall look. A quick tip from the studio. Stand in natural light and hold different colored scarves or fabrics near your face. The right color will instantly lift your complexion, brighten your eyes, and make your smile pop. That's not magic, it's just good color harmony. Trick 2. The forgotten accessory. Scarves done right. Want to add elegance to your outfit in under 10 seconds. Reach for the accessory that most women over 50 already own but rarely use to its full potential. Let's talk about scarves, not the bulky winter ones, but the soft, silky, drapey kind that whispers elegance. Scarves are timeless. They're not just for warmth or special occasions. When styled well, they become a signature of sophistication, especially for women of our age. I've seen so many women tuck scarves away in drawers, thinking they're outdated or fussy, but here's the truth. A scarf isn't an extra, it's a statement. It draws the eye upward, frames the face beautifully, and adds a soft touch near the neckline, which becomes even more flattering as we age. Try this. Tie a slim silk scarf around your neck with a crisp white blouse. It's Paris in an instant. Or drape a printed square scarf over a neutral-toned sweater. It adds richness without effort. You can even tie one to your handbag for a subtle splash of pattern. It's not about being bold, it's about being intentional. As for choosing the right scarf, go with lightweight materials that flow silk, modal, or fine cotton blends. Patterns. Stick with timeless prints, soft florals, polka dots, subtle geometrics. And the colors. Think about what flatters your skin tone. Earthy neutrals, warm blush tones, soft navy. They all work beautifully with mature complexions. The beauty of scarves is how they move with you. That gentle sway adds softness, elegance, and yes, vitality. So the next time your outfit feels just okay, try adding a scarf. That one simple piece might be all it takes to transform your whole look. And just like scarves, there's another staple hiding in your closet that's often misunderstood: jeans. Yes, jeans. In the next section, we'll talk about how the right denim can sculpt, lift, and elongate your silhouette without sacrificing comfort or elegance. Trick 3. The perfect jeans for women over 50. Let's clear the air. Yes, women over 50 absolutely can wear jeans and look amazing in them. Somewhere along the way, denim got a bad reputation. But the truth is, jeans aren't the problem, it's the fit. If you've ever put on a pair and felt stiff, squeezed, or just plain off, it's not your age, it's the cut. Here's the fix. Go for high-waisted jeans with a straight or gentle bootcut leg. These styles elongate your frame, smooth the tummy, and balance your shape beautifully. No pulling, no sagging, just structure where you want it, and softness where you need it. And here's a pro tip. Stick with dark washes like deep indigo or clean black. They're universally slimming, ultra versatile, and feel instantly polished. Skip ripped knees, flashy stitching, or glittery extras. When denim is simple, your confidence shines. Also, look for a bit of stretch. 2 to 3% elastane gives you just enough movement without sacrificing form. Comfort and elegance can go hand in hand. Want a quick style trick? Pair your jeans with a tucked-in blouse and nude heels. It instantly defines your waist and adds length to your legs. You'll feel like your best self, stylish, timeless, and completely at ease. And if you've written jeans off in the past, I invite you to give them another chance. The right pair doesn't just fit your body, it lifts your spirit. Now, let's move from denim to something even more powerful. Proportions. This next tip will change how you dress forever. Trick 4. Mastering proportions. Ever notice how some women just look effortlessly put together, even in the simplest outfit? The secret often lies in one word: proportions. It's not just what you wear, but where it hits your body. The key is to avoid splitting your silhouette in half. Instead, use the rule of thirds. Divide your body visually into 3 sections and dress to highlight 1/3 or 2/3. For example, high-waisted trousers with a tucked-in blouse create a long vertical line that elongates your legs and defines your waist. Another golden tip: pay attention to skirt and dress lengths. Hemlines that fall at the slimmest part of your legs just below the knee or right at the ankle create the most flattering balance, especially after 50 when our bodies change in subtle but meaningful ways. This trick works beautifully on all body types, whether you're curvy, petite, or somewhere in between. It's all about guiding the eye up and creating flow. That's what makes an outfit look elegant without feeling forced. And if you're ever unsure, take a full body photo. What you see in the mirror sometimes doesn't translate the same in pictures. Over time, your sense of proportion will sharpen, and so will your style confidence. Have you ever tried using the rule of thirds when dressing? Or is this the first time you've heard of it? I'd love to know. Share your thoughts or any outfit experiences in the comments. Next up, I'll reveal a simple styling element that instantly elevates any outfit. You might even already own it, but haven't realized its power just yet. Trick 5. The third element. The secret to elevating any outfit. Ever wonder why some outfits feel just okay while others look effortlessly stylish? The difference often comes down to one simple yet powerful detail. The third element. Picture this. You're wearing a nice blouse and well-fitted jeans. It's fine, but something's missing. Now add a blazer, a long necklace, or a lightweight scarf. Instantly, your outfit goes from basic to beautifully curated. That's the magic of the third element. Think of it as the finishing touch that brings personality, structure, or polish. A denim jacket over a floral dress, a statement brooch on a monochrome outfit, or a textured cardigan paired with neutrals. These details tell the world you're intentional with your style. And the best part, you likely already have a few third elements in your closet. You don't need dozens, just a few reliable pieces. A tailored blazer, a printed kimono, or a bold accessory you love. They're perfect for those days when you want to look elevated without trying too hard. The key is choosing something that complements your outfit while adding dimension and interest. A well-chosen third piece helps draw the eye upward, balance proportions, and reflect your personality. It's also a wonderful styling tool as we age, creating visual movement and keeping the look modern. Do you have a go-to third element that instantly boosts your confidence? I'd love to hear what it is and how you wear it. Up next, I'll share a style trick that works like magic for your legs. No matter your height or shape, you won't believe how simple it is. Trick 6. The magic of nude shoes. Want to know a simple trick that instantly makes your legs look longer, your posture look taller, and your whole outfit feel more refined? Enter nude shoes. Shoes in a shade that closely matches your skin tone act like a visual extension of your legs. They don't break the line between your foot and ankle, which gives the illusion of length, something especially flattering for midi skirts, dresses, or cropped pants. But here's the beauty. Nude shoes aren't just for looks. They're incredibly versatile. From beige pumps to blush tone sandals, these subtle staples go with everything in your closet: colors, patterns, even denim. You'll never have to second-guess your footwear again. The key is to find a tone that complements your natural coloring. Lighter skin tones often work best with beige or taupe, while deeper complexions glow with caramel, mocha, or chestnut hues. Choose Finishes that feel comfortable, matte leather for everyday, patent for Polish, or suede for softness. And nude shoes aren't limited to high heels. A pointed toe flat, slingback kitten heel, or low block heel can still deliver the elongating magic while keeping things comfortable. Have you tried nude shoes before? Did you notice how effortlessly they blended into your outfit? Tell me your favorite pair or brand. I'm always looking for new recommendations. Next, let's talk about the one final touch that completes any look not clothing. Not accessories, but something even more personal. Trick 7. The final touch of makeup. Let's be honest, no outfit feels truly complete without a little polish. And that final touch often comes from one place: makeup. But after 50, the goal isn't to cover up, it's to highlight what's already beautiful. Think of makeup as soft lighting for your face. A lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer can even out skin tone without settling into fine lines. A touch of cream blush on the apples of your cheeks adds warmth and liveliness, like a natural flush after a good laugh. For the eyes, go for neutrals, taupes, soft browns, or warm plums, and use them to enhance your natural eye shape rather than overpower it. A bit of eyeliner along the upper lash line can open up the eyes without looking harsh. And don't forget mascara. It adds life to your gaze. Lips are where you can have fun. A soft pink, berry, or classic red can brighten your whole face, especially when balanced with the right undertones for your skin. And hydration, that's non-negotiable. Well-moisturized skin glows with or without makeup. But here's the most important part. Wear makeup that makes you feel good, not younger, but more you. When you feel confident in your skin, it shows, and that's the most stylish thing you can ever wear. Do you have a favorite lipstick shade or makeup ritual that makes you feel fabulous? Share it with us. I'd love to know what brings out your inner glow. And there you have it, 7 timeless style tricks that aren't about chasing youth, but about embracing the elegance and confidence that come with experience. Because fashion isn't just fabric and trends, it's a reflection of how you feel inside. And you, my dear, have every reason to feel radiant. If one of these tips spoke to you, or even sparked a little idea for your next outfit, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Which one are you going to try first? Or do you have a style secret of your own that you swear by? This community grows richer with every woman who shares her voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Check Over 50. We've got so much more coming: capsule wardrobes, seasonal trends, flattering cuts, and yes, the art of aging fabulously. Until next time, remember, true elegance isn't about dressing to impress others. It's about dressing to honor yourself. Take care, and I'll see you soon.